The world is changing faster than ever. Threats are real and unpredictable. But we know one thing for certain: we must be prepared. We are Cybersecurity Laboratory at Masaryk University. For over a decade, we've led a cybersecurity team protecting the university through daily operations. At the same time, we've pioneered cybersecurity education. We merge this practical experience with educational expertise to create INJECT, an open-source exercise platform. INJECT transforms traditional tabletop exercises and how organizations prepare for cyber incidents and crises. The platform's purpose and potential was quickly recognized by the Czech National Cybersecurity Authority. Their experts regularly consult its development to keep it connected to current trends and practices. INJECT empowers you to run, analyze, and create realistic exercises. These work for everyone, from regular employees to C-level executives to technical specialists. The exercises identify critical gaps, enhance coordination and communication, and let trainees experience your processes under realistic pressure. You can choose from 3 exercise formats: micro exercises, short focused scenarios for security awareness, perfect for quick training sessions with pre-built content; discussion-based exercises, ideal for identifying gaps and improving team communication; simulations, your actual processes and policies in action. The most realistic experience for comprehensive team training. To make all this possible, INJECT provides specialized tools for each stage of the exercise. For trainees, an intuitive interface with diverse exercises, activities, and communication channel types. For instructors, streamlined exercise management with intelligent automation. For analysts, detailed metrics and logging of every important action. For content creators, an exercise library plus an editor supported by our proven exercise design methodology. You may ask, is this really accessible for every organization? For free? Yes, INJECT is open source and ready to deploy in your organization today. Once deployed, your users will easily access INJECT as a website. They won't need to install anything. So here's the real question: will you be ready when crisis strikes? Don't wait for the next incident. Transform your preparedness today